Tell them where we're going.
We're going to get a worm, and then we're going to get a cookie, a big one cookie. Big one cookie.
A big one cookie in the waterfall?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if we can find a cookie in the waterfall.
But there's a big one.
Right.
There. So we had to get straight ahead on turbo on the hole.
Right. Hey, you don't want to say hi to Aqui and everyone?
And we all the garbage, all the band, all the garbage.
Right. Okay.
Bicicleta. Ciao, ciao.
Yo, what's up my beautiful people? Welcome one more time to my channel. Enrique Morrissey one more time for you. Deliver adventurous shots with the drone, natural culture, and a different place in the different countries, guys. Today we are located at a very unknown waterfall or cachoeira located in Limeira. This is a beautiful day, guys, because we are alive, we got health, and you are here, guys, with us. You know, the adventure. If you're living around Limeira, Cordeirópolis, or Iracemápolis, guys, just let me know, comment below, please, if you know this waterfall, all right, guys? Anyhow, the location of this waterfall is from the Limeira to this point, and then as you see, follow the road on the highway ahead, swinging to the right-hand side, the dirt track, right? And if you're walking, I'm talking about 20 steps, it's right there. You're not gonna get lost. It's right opposite to the Morro Azul, guys. All right? I am here with Noah.
Ready?
Say hi to the people.
Hi, people. We're going to throw some rocks. Now
Right.
watch this.
Whoa, you saw that? You see that, guys? We're throwing some rock. What's up? And we are with
Hi,
Paula.
Stay with us, people. Thank you for visiting us.
Now
And
watch this, Daddy.
thank you for the love and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel.
Like this.
What?
The butterflies you're shooting now. It's
What
just
is?
one
Which
swing.
one is? Take care of the natural environment, take care of the planet Earth, because this is just only one, guys, all right? It's very important. It's up to us about the care and the evolution for our sons, and the future generation will enjoy those places and so much around the world, guys. Subscribe, check this video, last time in this order: 1, subscribe; 2, video, and video, guys. Thank you one more time, guys. Ciao, ciao, until the next time. Bye.